Hey guys, what's up? Jay on the Segway. Look, today's video, I want to show you guys something, okay? I want you guys to watch the video and let me know what you think, okay? Now, what we're trying to do here with this video is we're talking video quality, okay? These aren't professional grade cameras, okay? I mean, maybe they are, it depends on who you're asking, but they're not necessarily movie grade type cameras. But what do you guys think? Is it usable? Okay, we're gonna have camera A and camera B. All right, let me know which one you guys like better. As far as the specs go, the specs are gonna be in the video on the screen, so you guys know what the settings were. And I want you guys to tell me, most of all, what cameras you think I was using. All right, I have a slew of videos that I got coming out within the next month. I did go pick up something that just came out, but yeah, we'll get into that in another video. But let me know what you guys think I was using, and like I said, tell me which one you liked better. Okay, that's all I got, man. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, so which camera was better, man? Let me know in the comments below which one was better. What cameras do you guys use when you're filming at night? And what type of settings do you typically use for that type of camera? Because I know every camera has different sensors, different lenses, different lens sizes, and all these things depend. Aperture, all these things are going to depend on what settings you use for the type of camera you're using and for what type of film you're going to be using. Later on tonight when I get to Vegas, I'm gonna mount up a series of cameras on a little bar. I'm gonna put them on. We're gonna take the Nami for a ride. I'm gonna give you guys some low light footage, which would basically kind of sort of simulate riding an electric scooter or a motorcycle, because when you do something handlebar mounted, which is what this is gonna be, your low light footage looks a little different depending on the type of camera you're using. You're gonna use image stabilization, which usually if I'm gonna mount it to an electric scooter, I'll do level 1 image stabilization. Whatever the company calls it, it'll be the first level of it. But we'll talk about that when that video comes out. Anyways, Jay on the Segway, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, let me know in the comments below what you use, what settings do you guys use for low light video, and what type of low light video are you recording, because that really depends. If you're doing B-roll type, walking slow, keeping yourself nice and smooth, you may not use image stabilization, or you may use a gimbal depending on what type of camera you're using. But let me know in the comments below. All right, Jay on the Segway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because I got a lot of videos coming up. All right, see you later. Peace. Hey, what you?
Surprise, motherfucker. Hey.
So I went to go put the light cable inside the slot, and look what I found. That's the teeth of one of the dogs.